Owning a home in the Coachella Valley is a dream for many people, but the desert climate plays by its own rules. Extreme summer heat, intense sun exposure, blowing dust, and even the occasional winter freeze can quietly damage a home if it is not properly maintained. After more than 2 decades helping homeowners in Palm Desert and across the Coachella Valley, one thing is clear. The homes that hold their value and avoid major repair bills are the ones maintained seasonally, not reactively. Spring is the most important season to get ahead of problems. Before temperatures soar past 100 degrees, your air conditioning system needs professional attention. A spring tune-up is not optional in the desert. Replacing air filters, cleaning condenser coils, checking refrigerant levels, and inspecting ductwork can prevent breakdowns during peak summer months when repair costs skyrocket. Spring is also the time to inspect your roof, window seals, exterior paint, and pool equipment. Desert sun accelerates wear faster than most homeowners expect, and small issues now can become expensive emergencies by July. Summer is about survival and consistency. When daily temperatures reach 110 or higher, every system in your home is under stress. Pool chemicals burn off faster, AC filters clog quickly with dust, and irrigation systems need constant monitoring to avoid wasting water or damaging plants. Setting your thermostat strategically can make a huge difference. Keeping your home at 78 to 80 degrees while you're home and higher when you are away dramatically reduces energy costs without sacrificing comfort. Ceiling fans help move air and make rooms feel cooler without raising your electric bill. Fall is the desert's reward season. Temperatures cool, outdoor work becomes comfortable again, and it is the best time for landscaping projects. New desert plants establish roots before next summer, irrigation systems can be repaired, and pool equipment can be adjusted for cooler water temperatures. This is also the perfect time to seal windows, refresh exterior surfaces, and clean solar panels for maximum winter efficiency. Winter in the desert is mild, but it still requires preparation. On rare cold nights, exposed pipes, pool equipment, and sensitive plants need protection. Heating systems that have been idle for months should be tested early, filters replaced, and carbon monoxide detectors checked for safety. Some maintenance never takes a season off. Monthly checks for leaks, pests, and safety systems protect your home year-round. Quarterly tasks like flushing the water heater, cleaning dryer vents, and inspecting irrigation systems help extend the life of major components. Annual inspections for roofing, termites, and HVAC systems protect both comfort and resale value. Desert homeownership does not have to be stressful. With the right seasonal approach and trusted local professionals, your home can thrive in this unique environment for decades. If you have questions about desert home care or need recommendations for reliable local service providers, reach out anytime. Taking care of your home today is the best investment you can make in its future.